right? This is what companies are looking for. So think of exclusivity like signing a non-compete clause. If you're committing to one brand, you need to make sure that it's worth it financially for you, just like how a company might pay an employee extra for agreeing not to work for a competitor. It is what it is. It's a part of the game, and they're banking on you to not know it. Now, let's discuss amplification rights. All right, that's what the A stands for. And this is all about how the brand can amplify the content that you create. For example, they might want to use your video in paid media campaigns or ads, right? Or embed it on a website or repost it to social media channels. You might not have known this, but these rights should be charged separately as well to maximize that revenue. A lot of creators overlook this and they end up giving away those amplification rights for free, missing out on a good revenue stream, right? So when you're negotiating, be clear on how your content can be used beyond those on channels, your own channels. So if a brand wants to use your videos in their ads, separate charge. If they want to repost your reel on their Instagram page, another separate charge. Every additional use should be charged separately, and they know this, and you don't, and they ain't saying nothing. All right, so think of amplification rights as music rights. Just because somebody buys a song on Apple, that doesn't mean they own it, right? Like they need to pay for the rights to use it in a movie, a commercial, or any other space that they're trying to use it, right? You can't even use it on YouTube without the certain rights or licenses, right? Which I'm going to talk about licensing shortly.